Hi everyone, it's Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home. Thanks so much for coming by today. I want to take you on a tour of a space that I haven't showed you much here on this channel. I've just showed little snippets of this space, and that is our master bedroom. So if you're unfamiliar, we moved into this home at the end of July last year, and this space hasn't been touched much. So I thought I would show you not only the things I hope to do in here, but the things that I've already done to kind of make this home feel more like us. So with that, let's take a look at my master bedroom. So basically the furniture I have in here is the bed and our nightstands. I've dressed our bed with this beautiful hand embroidered pillow that I've shared in a previous haul. I love it, and I backed it with these velvet pillows I got at TJ Maxx, and I've turned the pattern side to the back. I have a beautiful headboard that we got on Amazon. It's very slightly tufted, so it gives that nice structure and texture without being overly stuffy. My bedding is all from Amazon, the comforter set, the sheet set. It's all very worn, very comfortable. We've had these for a few years now and we love them. At the foot of the bed, I like to throw this super soft but light blanket that I like to snuggle up with when I'm reading in the summertime. Above my bed, you may recognize this. I have this beautiful frame that my sister gifted me. It has just an ever so slight amount of the original gold showing through the gray color that my sister painted it. And I hang this lovely faux wreath in here, and this was a wreath I got for our front door, but I love it so much it's in here now. It has small white flowers in it right now, and in the winter I like to add some red berries to the wreath. To hang it, I have a vintage blue and white ribbon, which just adds that little touch of vintage. My nightstands are just simple, cheap nightstands that my husband and I got when we were very first married. And I painted them this lovely slate blue color with paint that a friend had left over from a project. The handles came from a free piece of furniture someone was giving away, and I repurposed them. Inside my nightstand, I've got just a few essentials: a flashlight, my glasses case, a charger, bookmarks, tape measure, and little safety pins and whatnot. I keep a small basket on the bottom shelf to hold some nighttime reading and essentials. I have a heating pad that I like to take to bed with me in the winter, or if I'm not feeling super well. It's a rice bag, and again, got this off Amazon. I'll link things that I bought on Amazon down below in case you're looking for them. I keep my commonplace journal here, and that's just a style of journaling where you keep a record of favorite quotes and excerpts from different books. I have my Bible that is very well loved and worn. My husband bought this for me shortly after I had my daughter, so almost 13 years ago now. I have a journal that I actually made myself from repurposing an old book. It's full of vintage papers and little cutouts from color books and drawings from my children, vintage sheet music, various buttons and ribbons I'd picked up at estate sales, and just little places for me to write thoughts or quotes. And I actually haven't gotten into using this one yet. I really enjoyed making it. I should probably use it soon. So one of my absolute favorite things about this room is that this lilac bush is right outside my window, and if I keep the window open, the fragrance just perfumes my room through the breeze, and it's just absolutely lovely. I also thought I'd show you my peonies started to bloom, and they're just lovely. Back inside, I have a large basket that I showed you guys. I got this at Goodwill for about $12. And right now I'm using it to hold things that need mending and mismatched socks, and I take this into the other rooms to work on as I have time, and it can just live here in the corner. Now let's talk about Quirks. My room certainly has some quirks. It has an interesting ceiling line that kind of goes up at an angle quite high, and we have a ceiling fan, which I've actually come to really enjoy, especially in the evenings as it's getting warmer. But I have these interesting cutouts in the wall above the doors that I honestly am not sure why they're there or what you would do with them. If you have cutouts like this, please let me know in the comments what you do with them, because right now I just have everything just empty. Another quirk is there's quite a few holes in the wall and damage to the walls, so I will have to paint eventually, though I do like this cream color. It's the same color that's throughout the house, but in this room, I think it really works, especially with my bedding. Another quirk that I've actually totally learned to embrace is I couldn't find a spot for my ironing board. So I use my closet door, and it actually has become a real lovely meditative experience for me because I have, again, that view of the backyard and my neighbor's cows, and I set up the ironing board and I can look out the window at the cows and everything, and it's so calming. I do my ironing and I can just tuck it all away when I'm done. So here's what I still want to do. I'd love to add some beautiful pattern curtains to my window. I'd love to find some sort of desk or cabinet to house my crafting supplies here. And this wall I'm stuck on. I have no idea what I'm looking for this wall. It is the wall that's between the door and the door to the bathroom. So what would you do with this space? Let me know what you would do in the comments down below. If I should get some artwork, some hooks. I don't know if I could put furniture there with it being sort of a traffic area. Let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you so much for coming by and for watching today, and thank you for staying to the end of the video. We are officially on summer break here, and we started out the summer break getting sick. But we're all better now, and I really look forward to a summer full of making our home beautiful little by little, and hopefully having some wonderful yard sale goodies to share with you guys. So if you're new here, I hope you'll hit that red subscribe button and come back for more. You guys take care, have a very blessed summer, and I'll be back with more soon. Bye.